Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Sayini Phillips. The completely redone Porterseek Beach in Discovery Basin town was officially opened in fine style over the weekend. The beautiful property now features upgraded facilities including a floating water park, a 150-foot swimming pool and pool bar, along with water sports activities and private cabanas. Members of Parliament, sponsors, patrons, other stakeholders and members of the media mingled at the official opening and were treated to scrumptious cuisine. Once listed among the top 10 beaches in the world, the Porterseek Beach experienced years of deterioration from improper waste management and pollution on the property and in the water. After a successful bid in 2015, the Guardsman Group stepped in to begin a $5.5 million renovation of the property. Speaking at the opening, Executive Chairman of Guardsman Group and developer Kenny Benjamin noted that the development of Porterseek Beach has served to benefit neighboring communities.
You know, we've been told by Noranda that the property prices have gone up by a minimum of 20%. We've employed 100 people already, and as we expand, it's going to be even more. All the little shops around the place, whether it's patty shop or the hardware store or the gas station, we're buying our fuel from the local people, and they've seen an increase in their revenues, and everybody's happy for this.
He noted that a survey would have to be conducted to determine if the venue should be expanded to a hotel.
You know, affordability is the problem at the moment, so when we're in a position, we'll see and do a survey whether it's worth it or not. And if it's worth it, of course, I mean, but my hotel will not be dedicated to just overseas people. It'll be Jamaican families, and if we get a foreigner, then that's great too.
The vision for Porterseek Beach is to be a world-class family-friendly facility with plans to implement a children's play area and a mini zoo to the property. September 30 is the deadline to enter submissions for eligibility for the 2019 Grammy Awards Reggae Album of the Year. Top contenders who may make the shortlist include Shaggy and Sting for their joint effort 44876, Rebellion Rises by 8-time Grammy winner Ziggy Marley, Forever by Popcorn, A Matter of Time by Protege, Contraband by Kabaka Pyramid, Hope River by Agent Sasco, and Reggae Forever by Itana. An album that could also be nominated is Tropical House Cruises to Jamaica, which featured top-notch artists like Lee Scratch Perry, Chronix, Damien and Stephen Marley, Ed Sheeran, Wyclef Jean, Vybz Kartel, Sean Kingston and Sean Paul. Strong international contenders this year also pose a real challenge to local acts, including Band Revolution, whose album Free Reign featured collaborations with 3 Jamaicans, Don Corleone, Winter James and Chronix. And Estelle's album Lovers Rock, which also features the voices of Jamaicans Cranium, Conscience and Chronix. Also, UB40 for their album Real Labor of Love, Alborosie meets the Wailers, Unbreakable and Everyday Life, Everyday People by band Slightly Stupid. The 61st annual Grammy ceremony is slated for next February. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Sayini, thank you for watching.